Go get your teddy bear. Go get him. Go get him. Now give him some hugs. Oh, isn't that nice? Yeah. Now turn him around and give him some hugs the right way. Give him some hugs. Oh. Now pick him up. Stand up. Can you stand up for me? Get up. That is not getting up. That's cheating. Now she's up. Okay, now go get your teddy bear. Go get him. Go get him for Mommy. Not sitting down.